Welcome to my channel. Today it's a privilege to be online. It's the first time that this video is being produced. The purpose is for Forex studies, market analysis. This will happen often. Most of the time I'll be analyzing the markets and posting them. So remember to subscribe, like, share, and always be ready for weekly analysis of the market. For starters, we shall begin with GBPUSD pair. The one we are going to analyze, expecting or in preparation for next week what the market will provide to us. So you're welcome to Triple Forex. It's a pleasure to share with you his analysis. Be blessed, and may this knowledge be imparted unto you. So we are beginning with the monthly chart. As you see, I'm moving my cursor. Monthly chart. When we zoom out, we may not be able to see clearly the market levels, but what is obvious, sorry about that. Let me get to GBPUSD pair. Yes. But we clearly see this market is on a downtrend. This market has been trending downwards, as you see. It has been trending downwards for quite a long time. Around since 2004, this market has been trending downwards. But right now we are more interested with where the market is at the moment. This is the monthly chart, and we see there's this wider trend, then we see a mid trend in between. This mid trend, can put it also here. It could be wider in helping us in executing trades in the future. So the monthly, according to monthly, we see the market is in the downtrend at the moment. But if you are the one who trades the higher time frames like the monthly, then you would wait for the markets to reach the trend lines that I've drawn and provide you with a signal and sell. For example, if it reached here and provide you with a signal, you would sell. Or if it reached here, it would be time to sell. Or if it broke the trend, it would be time to buy upwards. The same here, be time to buy upwards. So let us drop to the weekly chart and see. The weekly chart still shows us that the market is trending downwards. The market is still on the downtrend. But we have levels that we expect market turnarounds. For example, this was the previous level from which the market turned, and also when we see we have got this level too. The market touched this level, this. Now if we want to change the weekly, we'll be looking at executing trends at this trend. If market touches this trend and gives you a signal to sell, you would sell. Or if you have a breakout, it will be time to buy up to this trend where you see the cursor. Or if it broke this trend, then it will be time to buy further. But the general trend shows that the market is moving downwards. So most of the cases will be expecting to trade downwards, or you will be selling the market or the bear market. That's what you will be looking at, right? So status, you have to be patient. You have to be patient until the market reaches these levels in order for you to sell. You have to be patient. Be patient. Don't execute trades in a place of nowhere now, because once you do that, you may get punished by the markets and may never come to life. So let us move to the daily and see if there is another possibility of us identifying short-term trades. Despite that the market is in a downtrend, as we have seen here in the weekly and the daily, and this is the monthly, both monthly zones where we expect market to turn around in order to sell. But we also know that the market right now on the daily is on an uptrend. I guess you see that the market is on an uptrend. The market is trending upwards. As you say, sorry, market is trending up. We have another trend here. So for one, if this market dares to retrace this level, we would be looking forward to buy in the shorter time frame, such as the H4 or at this level, this trend here, we would be looking forward to buy. But when the market is approaching a sensitive monthly trend line, we would be looking forward to selling at these levels. That's where we would be looking forward to selling. But remember, we see that the market on the daily also has levels at which we expect reaction or price action to take place. So you see that markets touched this level, as you see on the cursor. It touched this level, it bounced from this level, markets bounce at this level. It's a strong level. So if we had seen previously that market, there was a reaction in those stages, and the market currently has broken this line. So we expect the markets to trend upwards, to go still further, and it could either reverse from here or break this trend and continue to these levels. But you will be looking for buying once it breaks at this level, but as when it gives you, let me say, a signal or a reason for entry, that's when you will buy, or a reason for a sale. When it reaches here, that's when you will sell downwards. Still, when the markets reach this other trend line or this resistance level, it has to give you a signal for which you are going to base on to sell. So this is GBPUSD, but you don't need to complicate your analysis. You have to make it very simple, very simple. But this is just to give you an understanding of what you're looking at the market. You don't need all these lines. You need to keep your trading very simple, very simple. Don't complicate it, because once you complicate it, you may get confused by yourself. See? So we have another level. These levels are strong levels. As we see, market touched here, this level, and bounced back. We had a little touch here, market bounced, market touched this level, bounced back, market touched these levels, and there's always a reaction. So in general terms, we expect the markets to reach these levels, and if they reach these levels and they give us reasons for entry, then we shall enter the market. So this is a brief analysis of GBPUSD, just for starting. The video would have been longer, but I have some other things to do. But This is just the beginning. Trading is never complicated. So once you're able to do the top-down analysis, trading from the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the execution of trades will always take place, maybe the H4, H1. Once market reaches those levels, you'll be able to execute. You can adjust these lines. You can see a market reacted in this place. So for example, this was an engulfing. If you had entered in here, you would have bought this market. See, you would have bought it. But this is a daily support level. You will see the market broke it, which first was resistance, then the market broke it. Now the resistance turns into support level. And once the market would have created this bullish engulfing, then you would have entered from here. Right now we'll be riding this trade. And thank you everyone for taking time to look at my analysis, what we expect next week. Please remember to subscribe and like. And trading is never complicated. It is simple. It can be done as long as you put in the time and action. What I mean by action, you don't just think about it, but do the back testing or forward testing to improve on your skills. Thank you very much. It's your boy, Forex. See you next time and be blessed.